Welcome back, everyone. In our last lesson, we gave the drone an AI that could look at its camera and tell us what you saw: a wind turbine, a car, a person. But here's the problem: knowing something as this isn't enough. If we want the drone to actually fly towards it, we need to know exactly where it is, exactly where in the image. That's what today's lesson is all about: object detection. Instead of just naming what is in the view, we'll draw a box around each object and get its precise location. And we'll do the whole thing for free. No cloud services, no API keys, no account. Everything run right here on my laptop. Let's go. So let's launch Jupyter Lab. Let's get right in the video. Alright, quick history here. Before I explain why this is really exciting, detection comes in three waves. Firstly, handcrafted methods, slow and fragile. Then deep learning, models like YOLO, fast and accurate, but locked to a fixed list of objects they were trained on. Alright, so we are here. And now the third wave, open vocabulary detection. You describe what you want in plain words: a backpack, a wind turbine, and the model finds it. No retraining. This is the language model idea applied to fiction. So we're supposed to have a one-time setup here. So the original course uses a paid cloud detector called DINO X. It's excellent, but its free credits are gone. Every call now costs money. So instead we use two free open source models that run right here on my laptop: YOLO-World and Grounding DINO. Same open vocabulary idea, zero cost, no account needed. Everything's already installed, so let's use it. So now, first we load the model here. That is here. I'm simply telling it, like if you see the command there, set classes. So I'm simply telling it in plain English what to look for: a person and a boss. No training, no data set. I just describe it. Watch how what it does to view street photo. So look at what it detected. It found that the confidence, here's the result. It found the boss with 94% confidence and 4 separate people. You seeing? So these are the coordinates for the boxes for each person. That's the bounding box. The pixel 4 corners. So let's have an image of it here. Exactly. So the image here shows a person with 0.77 confidence, that is this person, and then another person with 0.94 confidence, and this is 0.92 confidence. So these 4 numbers are the whole point, like they are the location of the person. Now you see that works. So now we can try to set it for ourselves, where we can look for a particular item in the image. So each person boxed in blue here, and their confidence score. This is a free version, by the way. This is a free model running on my laptop. Finding exactly what I asked for in plain ones. A moment ago, like a person and a boss were just words I typed here, that were typed here. You understand? Now there are precise locations on a real photo. Let's look for something else. Let's see if we can try something else. Let's look for backpack. And let's check for shoes. Alright, let's try to run it again. And because it's open vocabulary, I can change my mind instantly. Let me ask for something different. Sunglasses, let's ask for shoes and see if it finds them. No retraining, no waiting, just flexibility. Alright, so let's run. Alright, so you can see the shoe confidence. I don't know why it did not get the sunglasses. Okay, backpack, we didn't ask for sunglasses, so we got shoes with 0.44% confidence. So that works. Now let's go for a tougher test. Let's go for something tougher than we actually did. Real photos are very easy. These models learned from millions of them. But our drones see a computer rendered scene, right? With unnatural textures and lighting. Here's a frame from the simulator with a rubber duck and a cola can. We use Grounding DINO, the free ancestor of Dino X. Running locally, it takes about half a minute on my laptop CPU, and there, found the duck and the cola. So now let's run this. It's supposed to load. I think it's running. Exactly. So now there's the duck and there's the cola box. But look at the confidence, only around 20%. So that is not means that it's not really going to be clear. That's the honest truth about small free models on synthetic scenes like this. They work, but they are less sure. This is why production systems pay for bigger models and cloud Dino X model. So here's what a paid Dino X cloud scene with the a paid Dino X cloud model is more confident and more tighter. So let's see. This is where it goes. So this is the paid one. So now you can see how it was easily detected. If you can even zoom close, you can see our drone here. Alright, so image understanding tells us exactly what is in view. Object detection tells us where, as a box with pixel coordinates like we have here. Model detection is open vocabulary, describes the target in plain words, gets boxes back. You can do it free on any laptop. That's the bounding box in the bridge. You see the blue boxes. And here you can see the yellow duck and the Coca-Cola can with higher confidence. Alright, so I'm currently going to bear. I'll meet you in the next lesson. See you in the next lesson, guys. By the way, this is local and it's a free version, so you can run on your laptop.